Legends of Learning presents the Robo Grow game. This is a science game that makes learning about the growth and development of organisms fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, far, far out into the deep reaches of the galaxy, there exists a space station filled with robots, all brimming with excitement. They have just found traces of life on a distant planet and are now scurrying to learn all they can about this new organic form of life. You are Robert, a low-level maintenance droid who resides in the deeper levels of the station. Jobot, the head scientist, has called on you personally to run the tests on the newly discovered life. You will be in charge of planting and watering flowers. You will also be tasked with taking care of the insects and animals that are growing in the lab, playing out each important moment in their lives to get a better understanding of how life on this strange planet develops. Use the mouse to click on the screen to move the robot to different areas to complete tasks to move on to the next level. Complete all the levels to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing!